What would you do if a PC component was not functional? Keep watching and find out more. Hello, welcome to TEAMGROUP Tech Room. This is Terry, and I will be your host for this episode. I will help you get familiarized with the warranty and the RMA procedure regarding TEAMGROUP. Firstly, let me tell you about the product warranty. Throughout the warranty period, if TEAMGROUP's product fails under normal use, TEAMGROUP will provide complete repair or replacement services. However, our service doesn't include data recovery or backup, which means we are not responsible for the loss of data. Therefore, we strongly recommend you back up your data on a regular basis. You might have questions: what's the meaning of the normal use? To answer these questions, I would like to clarify what kind of product damages TEAMGROUP warranty doesn't cover. The first principle is the product damage caused by unnaturally external factors, such as damage caused by accidents, vandalism, misuse, and disasters, etc. The second basic principle is unauthorization. The product purchased through unauthorized distributors or repaired by unauthorized personnel are not covered by TEAMGROUP warranty. A tip: please keep the warranty labels and product serial number in a clear and good condition. Normally, there is no need to register online. The product is covered by warranty service from the original purchase date. Thus, the proof of the original purchase date is required when you apply for the RMA service. But no worry, if you can't offer the proof of the original purchase date, we will verify it from a serial number on the product, which is why I mentioned previously to keep the serial number clear. In general, all DDR4 series enjoy a lifetime warranty. Notably, the warranty period of DDR5 is a lifetime warranty as well. For the SSD series, a 2.5-inch SSD has a 3 years warranty, and the MW.SD has a 5 years warranty. But there's one exception: the SSD of T-Create Expert series enjoy a 12 years warranty. I placed the warranty main page with warranty status check in the video description. If you need more details, please take a look. Speaking with the RMA process, we highly recommend that you contact the store where you consume it at first to see if the items can be returned. If not, please fill out the product repair form. As soon as you submit this form, we will finish the RMA applications and we will keep a record of your request. Then please send out the RMA products to TEAMGROUP as soon as possible. In addition, if your memory modules are dual channel or full set, please send them all together so that we can test them and make sure they work properly. It is important to note that during the RMA process, customer is liable for shipping fees. Once the RMA process is completely, TEAMGROUP will send the product back to you at our expense. However, custom duties are excluded. Let me conclude. First of all, be sure to check warranty period and applicability of the products. Secondly, make sure the product serial number is clear. Thirdly, you will have an efficient RMA experience if you contact the correct channel at first. Lastly, the RMA shipping cost is shared between you and us. Please comment below if you have any other questions you want to discuss. We will make videos for a topic you suggest. I'm Terry, TEAMGROUP Tech Room. See you soon.